In this video, we are going to discuss the secret of mixing chia seeds and cinnamon with apple cider vinegar. If you're looking for a simple and natural way to reduce belly fat, regulate insulin and glucose levels, reduce the risk of heart disease, boost energy, improve digestion, flush body waste, reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, kill harmful bacteria, boost antioxidant levels in your blood, and even support better sleep, this video is ideal for you. First ingredient, apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a widely popular natural health remedy, often praised for its numerous benefits. What are the proven benefits of apple cider vinegar? We reviewed dozens of scientific studies to separate fact from fiction. 1. Lowers blood sugar levels and manage diabetes. One of the most well-supported uses of apple cider vinegar is its potential role in managing type 2 diabetes. This condition is marked by high blood sugar levels due to insulin resistance or the body's inability to produce enough insulin. However, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is beneficial for everyone, as some researchers suggest that elevated blood sugar contributes to aging and various chronic diseases. 2. Aids in weight loss. Surprisingly, research suggests that vinegar may support weight loss. Several human studies indicate that vinegar can enhance feelings of fullness, leading to reduced calorie intake and gradual weight loss. 3. Improves heart health. A 2020 review of studies in both humans and animals noted that apple cider vinegar may potentially benefit levels of high-density lipoprotein, low-density lipoprotein, triglycerides, and total cholesterol. A 2021 review of research in humans found that apple cider vinegar may benefit total cholesterol levels. Second ingredient, chia seeds. Consuming chia seeds in water as part of a nutritious diet may benefit your overall health. 1. Reduce high blood pressure. Chia seeds contain chlorogenic acid, a powerful antioxidant, along with other beneficial phytonutrients that may help lower high blood pressure, hypertension. 2. Reduce inflammation. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants like caffeic acid, which may have anti-inflammatory properties. Since chronic inflammation is linked to conditions such as cardiovascular disease and cancer, these compounds could play a protective role in overall health. 3. Heart health benefits. Chia seeds are packed with fiber and alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. A diet high in fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants may support heart health by promoting healthy cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation. 4. Support for bone health. Chia seeds are rich in essential minerals like phosphorus, magnesium, calcium, manganese, copper, selenium, and iron, all of which play a role in maintaining strong and healthy bones. 5. Blood sugar management. Research suggests that the soluble fiber in chia seeds may help regulate blood sugar levels, reducing the risk of metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. 6. Potential skin benefits. The fatty acids in chia seeds may support healthy skin function, while staying hydrated, especially when consuming chia seeds with water, can promote skin hydration. 7. Support for digestion. Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber, which adds bulk to stool and supports regular digestion. Additionally, fiber nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, contributing to a balanced microbiome. A high-fiber diet may also aid in weight management and lower the risk of conditions like type 2 diabetes and certain cancers. Third ingredient, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. In recent years, modern science has started to confirm many of the potential health benefits associated with cinnamon. 1. Contains powerful medicinal properties. Cinnamon is a widely used spice, rich in cinnamaldehyde, a compound believed to be responsible for many of its health benefits. 2. Loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is rich in powerful antioxidants, including polyphenols. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation plays a crucial role in the body's defense, helping to fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, chronic inflammation can be harmful when it targets the body's own tissues. Research suggests that cinnamon and its antioxidants possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties that may help combat this issue. 4. Protects against heart disease. Cinnamon may improve some key risk factors for heart disease, including cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. 5. Improves sensitivity to insulin. Cinnamon has been shown to significantly increase sensitivity to the hormone insulin, which may improve blood sugar control. 6. Helps lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce fasting blood sugar levels when used in doses ranging from 1 to 6 grams or 0.5 to 2 teaspoons per day. 7. May have beneficial effects on neurodegenerative diseases. Neurodegenerative diseases involve the gradual decline of nerve cell structure and function. Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease are among the most common types. Research suggests that certain compounds in cinnamon may help by preventing the buildup of tau protein in the brain, a key factor in Alzheimer's disease. 8. Cinnamon may protect against cancer. Animal and test tube studies indicate that cinnamon may have protective effects against cancer. Here's how to make the drink. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons chia seeds, ½ to 3/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 10 to 11 ounces water. Instructions: 1. Add the apple cider vinegar, chia seeds, and cinnamon to a glass of water. 2. Stir well and let the chia seeds soak for about 10 minutes to allow them to expand. 3. For a smoother texture, blend the mixture for 30 seconds. 4. If desired, add a small amount of honey or natural sweetener for taste. 5. Drink first thing in the morning on an empty stomach and wait 20 minutes before eating. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of mixing chia seeds, cinnamon, and apple cider vinegar. This simple yet powerful combination can help support digestion, balance blood sugar, boost metabolism, and even aid in weight loss. If you found this helpful, share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it and how it worked for you. Wishing you success on your health journey. Make it a great day.